This is so good.
What's going on, YouTube fam bam? Welcome back to Dad's Crazy Life. Dad's here and Trey the Teen Chain. We are up to no good. Y'all, today we're gonna make Flamin' Hot Cheeto fried chicken. That's right, folks. We're gonna make some Flamin' Hot Cheeto fried chicken. Stay tuned.
Welcome back, guys. We got chicken wings, flour, eggs, Flamin' Hot Cheetos, and oil spray. And we are getting ready to make Flamin' Hot Cheetos chicken wings. That's right, folks. We are going to make Flamin' Hot Cheetos chicken wings. I'm so excited. It's going to be so delicious. Stay tuned, y'all. Stay tuned. So first thing first, we are going to blend the hot Cheetos. That's right, folks. We are going to blend the hot Cheetos. Alright, that's that.
Alright, so you guys, I'm going to open up the eggs. Alright, so we're going to mix up the eggs real good. Alright, that looks good.
Perfect.
Okay, I'm going to rinse off the chicken.
Alright.
Okay, so let me put it in order that it's gonna go. So we're gonna dip the chicken wings in the egg. Dip the chicken wings in the egg, get it nice and lathered on.
So that's how you make the chicken. Okay, cool.
And then we're gonna put it in the eggs again so that we can get a nice thick batter so that it'll stick to our Flamin' Hot Cheetos. All right. This is a messy job, guys, but somebody's got to do it.
Uh-huh. Somebody has got to do it.
All right. All right, now we're gonna do it again. Okay, we're gonna get all this eggy goodness on here.
Uh-huh, yep. Eggy goodness on here.
And I'm gonna try this one straight into the Flamin' Hot Cheetos. See how that one
With taste.
Yeah.
Automatically.
Straight into the Flamin' Hot Cheetos. Make sure it's nice and lathered.
Yeah.
Okay. That's the second one.
One more to go.
Okay. more to go. I'm getting so excited, y'all.
Alright guys, now let's put the wings in the air fryer. I'm so excited for this, y'all. I saw this with the French family and it looks fun and delicious. Alright, time for the taste test. Which one should I choose? I think I'm going to choose this one.
How does it taste, baby?
It tastes good, but it's a little bit spicy.
Okay. Do you want to eat more of it?
Sure.
Okay.
Tastes really good. And it's still hot. The steam is coming out of it.
Mm-hmm. All right. If it's too hot for you, baby, you don't have to keep eating it. Is it too spicy?
Definitely.
Just bite it, baby. You like it?
Yeah,
It's delicious?
I like it.
Okay. Good. How's the spice? Is it too spicy for you?
Not even spicy at all.
Okay. Do you think it'll be safe for me to eat with my heart trouble?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm gonna try it then. I'm next.
It's actually really good.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You don't gotta eat all the skin though, just eat the meat, you know? Not eat too much of the chips.
Mm. Mm. This is so good. And the seasoning is like even on the skin.
Don't eat too much of the skin though, because that's that chip.
Mm-hmm.
Hot diggity dog.
Yep.
Hot diggity dog. It was delicious. It was delicious. Thank you, son, for telling me about it. Thank you, son.
You're welcome.
It was so good. All right.
All right, y'all. So it was absolutely delicious-fied. But being that I have high blood pressure, cardiac arrhythmias, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to take an extra dose of my heart medication in 3.25, I would say 45 minutes to an hour. Pray for me, y'all, pray for me.
So y'all, I saw this on the Prince family, and I thought it would be a fun video for me and my mom to record.
Baby, it was very, very fun, and I'm glad that you told me about it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Family love. Disclaimer, 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 disclaimer. If you have cardiac issues such as high blood pressure, cardiac arrhythmias such as AFib, supraventricular tachycardia, I recommend that you do not do this challenge. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. This has been Des with Des Crazy Life. Signing off. Bye.